Hello my dear students, welcome you all on YouTube channel Concept Engineering Academy and Research. Today we are going to see the one new playlist on the YouTube channel, that is formula remembering technique. So a lot of students are waiting for this, how to remember the formulas techniques. Okay, in this video I will share to you how to remember the formula. Okay, that is useful in the your government examination point of view, or whatever the examination are going to conducted in the India. So this technique is important to you. Okay, I will share with you today one three idiots concept. So what is the three idiot concept? That is nothing but the E, G, K. All of you know very well there is the relationship between the E, G and K. So there are the three formulas is there. So how to remember that formula? So we are going to see the technique of the EGK. So see my dear students, all of you, E is nothing but the Young's modulus, G is nothing but the modulus of rigidity, and K is nothing but the bulk modulus. So I will call it is as a three idiots. Okay, ये three idiots से बहुत सारे क्वेश्चंस क्रिएट होते हैं. ओके, एंड इस थ्री इडियट्स से लॉट ऑफ demand, or you can say the lot of questions will be arises on the GATE examination point of view or any another examination point of view, and direct formulas will be asked in this particular bit. So how will you remember that? That is very important. So that's why you have to create the formula remembering technique. इसमें बहुत सारा कंफ्यूजन होता है, आपको पता ही है, प्लस माइनस में दिक्कत आती है while remembering this formula. So my dear students, all of you focus this one. See, I'll take some pause here. Okay, see, E is equal, the first formula will remember like this. E is equal, all of you know very well there are the various types of the network. Okay, various types of network. Okay, which are those networks? Like that various types of network in the, that is data, right? 2G you know, though 3G you know, right? 4G, 5G. Okay, so we will take here from 2G, right? उसमें मोबाइल में देख रहे भाई, इस तरफ से नेटवर्क दिखाते रहता है, राइट? नेटवर्क दिखता रहता है, जैसा जैसा बढ़ता है वो प्लस दिखता है, राइट? So 2G, so 2G stand for, right? We have to take under 2G here. So 2G, the network will be, when we say that strong network, the strong network will be say that plus, no? So we are remembering this is here plus. So 2G in the bracket, दो से कम लिख वही इधर, दो से कम लिख इधर, ये प्लस ले यहाँ पे, ओके, अंदर ले म्यू. Okay, this is the remembering form based on the your network 2G, right? E is equal to 2G 1 plus mu. So this is the one formula came from the EGK relation, that is E and E, G relation. Okay, E is nothing but the Young's modulus, G is nothing but the modulus of rigidity, and mu is nothing but the Poisson's ratio, right? So then second, the formula will be like this. E is equal to, you know the very well MP4 videos, okay, 3GP videos, okay, then now comes under in the 4K also, right? Okay, but by 4K ये आया है, इससे एक कम लिखता हूँ मैं 3K. ओके, फॉर रिमेम्बरिंग पॉइंट ऑफ व्यू 4K का वीडियो जो है मैं 3K में कन्वर्ट कर रहा हूँ. सो दैट 3K वी हैव टेकन द 3K ईयर. ओके, सो कम कर रहा हूँ ना, सो कम कर रहा हूँ करके माइनस, सो ऊपर लिख देंगे इन ब्रैकेट, इससे देख 3K अंदर लिख 1, ये माइनस 2 से कम इधर, सॉरी 3 से कम इधर लिखो, सो दैट विल बी द 2 mu. So finally we will get 3E is equal to 3K 1 minus 2 mu. So this is the important formula. Okay, these formulas may be confused in the examination point of view. Okay, so a lot of students asking me, so how will you remember this? You will remember this easily, like 2G is equal to 1 plus mu, etc. 3K is equal to 1 minus 2. But while writing or while solving the any government exam in examination, maybe your difficulties arises. So that's why I will share with you. Then another formula will be there, that E is equal to, you know the kilogram, that is 9 kg divided by K है 3K plus G. Okay, so you know these three formulas are very important to you, right? So I hope you will enjoy this one. So you can like, subscribe this channel, and I'll share with you this formula. Okay, upcoming videos you will enjoy the more remembering technique. Okay, so thank you everyone. I hope you will understand it. Bye bye.